Welcome to another HeliBar update. This is Harry Eddy, and I'm going to show you how to easily remove the factory damper weight assembly from a Honda handlebar. In this case, it's a 2018, but it could also be the 01 to 17. So what we do is we temporarily put the damper weight back on, and then we feed a little bit of alcohol into the locating hole. This is the hole closer to the stock of the handlebar where the control housing is located. And we're going to put a little bit of alcohol in the two holes in the end of the handlebar. You're going to notice there's, if you look into the hole, you'll see a little tooth stamped into the piece of metal right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to dislodge both of those to extract the damper assembly. You can see we were just tipping the handlebar to kind of move that alcohol around as a lubricant. That's very important. What we're going to do now is we're going to take a tool. I use a torque screwdriver, a small one, and it gets down into that hole, and we'll apply pressure to the tooth so that it's not engaged in the hole. And just use a simple, just a spade, a regular flat screwdriver, and we're going to push that behind. There's a small tab. If you look close, you'll see it. And just insert the screwdriver and twist it, and that's enough to pull it out, just enough so the tooth is now past the hole, and it's starting to extract out from where it was. And we're going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. The older the bar is, sometimes the more alcohol it will take. On these newer models, it's quite simple. So we're going to, this is already coming loose. It's there it is. You may need to apply a little bit more alcohol if there's any resistance going into the HeliBar tube. So just like stock, we're going to just put it back. We're going to align the metal teeth, those two little teeth, with the holes at the end of the handlebar. And sometimes you've got to use your fingernails to kind of start the rubber so it starts in, but just make sure that those teeth are lined up with the hole. Otherwise, you're going to have to pull it back out and start over again. So at this point, you can now loosen up the damper weight and take that off, and you want to do that on the other side. Thanks for watching. Take care.